Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about summarize function in Power BI. So what is summarize function and what generally it does? So summarize function creates a summary of the table grouped by a specified column. So whenever there is a requirement to create a table based on another table column's value, so with the help of a summarize function, we can able to do it. But there is one catch that the we must specify a column which is kind of a group by. So then the summary column will going to generate. This is the signature of the summarize function. It takes couple of parameters. One is table. This is the group by column name. This is the name, and this is the expression. These both are optional. So let's discuss one by one. This table parameter value could be a physical table or any DAX expression that returns a table. So example is this AP sales by store. This is a physical table. AP device inventory. This is a physical table, and this is the expression which returns a table. This is the group by column. The name of the existing column to be used to create a summary group based on the value found in the column. It cannot be expression. So the group by column name is the name of the column which is present in a table. Based on that, the summarized column will going to create, and this cannot be expression. So example is AP sales by store and AP store ID. So this is the way we can give a group by column name. This expression is deprecated and it's not recommended. So one thing we need to note that summarize is not an aggregation function. Instead of it returns all the unique combination of values based on the column selected. So summarize, it suggests that it could be aggregation function, but this is a not aggregation function. Instead, it will going to return all the unique combination of values which is present in the column. Which column? This is the group by column name. In this exercise, we are going to use this data model. If you want to understand the data model, then please watch video number 12 in this playlist. So what I am just doing here, I am creating a table with the help of this summarize function. This is the name of the table, and we are taking all the unique value which is present in AP retail column ID, and it will generate a table, and it has only one column, that is AP retail customer ID, and it will going to take all the values, all the unique values. In the second part here, what I am just doing, I am just creating this table with the help of a summarize. The name of the table is AP retail sales by store, but here instead of taking one column, I am just taking two columns. So based on these two columns, this summarized table will going to create. So let me do this exercise in Power BI. Let me create a new table. Let me give the name of the table is AP retail summarize. How the data will going to populate? The data will going to populate with the help of a summarize. Means this table is going to create with the help of the summarize function. What is the name of the column? Sorry, name of the table, AP retail sales by store. And what is the group by name column? The group by name column is AP retail store ID. Sorry, customer ID. AP retail sales customer ID. AP retail customer ID. Here the table has been created with the help of a summarize, and it's taking all the unique value which is present in AP retail customer ID column of AP retail sales by store table. Now let's create another table. Let me give the name of the table is AP retail summarize underscore 1. How this table will going to create? The table will going to create with the help of a summarize function. What is the name of the table? Name of the table is AP retail sales by store. And what are the group by column names? So here we are going to take two group by column. One is customer ID and quantity sold. AP retail customer ID, and second column is AP, second group by column, AP retail sales by store quantity sold. Quantity sold. Let me run it. So the table gets created with the help of a summarize function by taking the value from AP retail sales by store. But here the group by column is AP customer ID and AP retail quantity sold. So it will going to take all the unique combination of the data based on these two columns. In this video, we have seen how we can use summarize function in Power BI. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.